Hi Philippines and hi Boracay. I'm back in Boracay, back in this reality of life, the beach life, the beach life. Well, it's a nice day, 16th of November, and I'll show the new scenery now. I have to reverse the camera. So here it is, 16th of November. Sunny day, Sunday. I supposed to be at church today, but then I'll go at 3 p.m. instead. Finish at 5. For now, I'm on the beach, walking about, observing people. It's getting better after all the 2 typhoons have passed. So it's getting better, and the crowd is back. It's more western now than over the last 2 months. It's more western people now are here. So I presume that end of November will be more to December up to April next year. So the abundance of blessings in this island is every day, and everyone that seek it find it. So the blessings of the Lord make it rich, and he added no sorrow with it. That's in the Bible. That is written. Look at the people. This is the station 2 still. Going to station 3. Station 1 is the same up that side. People are flockings now. They're flockings. It should be more Westerners. Hi Kuya.
Hello.
Good morning. Vlog ako. I still got some little sinusitis left. Cold, cough, whatever you call it. Weather symptoms from Sikihor. Because I was in Sikihor for 2 weeks, let's say 13 days. Yeah, so it was all fun, it was all good. And I'm looking for a space right now where I can sit down peacefully and use my internet, use my computer to transfer files into my USB. More tourists, still majority are Filipinos. I guess Filipinos are not all that poor, all just good. If the Filipino tourists are majority in every places in the Philippines, which means Filipinos are not really that poor, isn't it? So yeah, we are a third world country. We live in minimized economy. Families lives in minimized spending and economy, but then many are able to afford many are able to afford holidays, vacation, they said. Yes, I'm approaching station 3 now. Actually, I'm already in station 3. It's a good place. Beautiful day in paradise. Beautiful day. So welcome to Boracay, people around the world that are seeing this. Welcome to Boracay. It's a beautiful day and it's the beginning of high season. So great work. Great work. To God be all the glory. Everything's well. And wow. So early. I have work on my computer, so I just pick up my computer, I guess. Work some files on the computer. Do something. It's Sunday. I don't have much to do right now. But filings, transferring files from one gadgets to USB portable gadgets, saving files. Bye bye Nigi Nigi. The Nigi Nigi 1 is now closed, so it's the move to Nigi Nigi 2, which tonight they will have a big party at 5 p.m. onwards. So the new Nigi Nigi is at Nigi Nigi 2, which is a joined piece by the Nigi Nigi 2. And I'm invited to go to the party tonight. Let's see if I could see some people moving things. So they're moving things from here. So all the tenants, all the things are already moving out. So the Nigi Nigi 1 is now closed, and most of the things are moved to Nigi Nigi 2. This is used to be a Victory Divers. Now is, it's no name yet. It's also a hotel and resort. Hi, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. This is Hinan Palm Beach. So basically, oh, look at that. Most of their tenants now, or their guests, are white. I think a lot of them are Australians actually. And their restaurants are now full. This is outside restaurants of Hinan Palm Beach. They're still having breakfast. Most of their guests now are normally white. Hinan Palm Beach is famous for a seaside view. There we are. Right.
Ayak na.
No, thank you, Kuya. So this is the new Nigi Nigi, the opening of new Nigi Nigi. Today is the opening of new Nigi Nigi here. So the old chairs from the other side are now moved to here. is going to be at 5 p.m. this afternoon. Free shooters on Pika Pika every 30 minutes. I'll be here tonight, this afternoon. This is the famous La Carmela de Boracay, which is some of the investors are celebrities of the Philippines. Looking for air-conditioned place to sit down, actually, which is seaside facing. I can do my work. I like to be alone, no disturbance, in peace to do my filing. So this is in front of Calypso Resort, Calypso Diving and Resorts here. So their guests also, most of them are white. It's too hot now. Just too hot. I don't know where to sit down. Cooling atmosphere with air condition. Hindi kuya.
Gusto niyo mag-land tour today?
No thanks.
Land tour first only.
I'm heading to that side. This is Calypso swimming pool, Calypso diving, Calypso Resort. Hi kuya, mamaya ng gabi. Cheers. I'm going to look for gym gear here. Oh, look at this red thing. Looks nice. This is for men. This is nice. It looks so small. A medium. Okay, we have medium and large. Nice one. Shorts.
Yan, makakasig yan. Sige sir, baka makakatayan. Set pa yan. Bago. Mamaya, pwede naman. Balik mo.
Okay, I have to switch this up first. See you later, people.